Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to understand what is what if analysis in Power BI. So suppose I have my sales in one of the tables, and I want to find out if I give 10% discount, then what would be my sales, and if I give 15% discount, then what is my sales. So I want to calculate sales according to my discount percentage. So this is called what if analysis. So for this, first I go to modeling tab, and here I can will create a new click on this new parameter and select this numeric range. Here you can add your minimum value. I have already created my parameter with minimum value as 10 and maximum value as 25, and with increment 1. So here is my parameter table. So as you can see, here is my minimum value, this is my maximum value, and this is my increment. It will also create one parameter called selected value, in which you will get the value which you insert over here in the parameter box. Next, I created measures called sales after discount, and one is sales discount. In sales discount, what I have done is I have one column for sales, and in this I have multiply with my parameter value. So suppose I am giving 10% discount, so my parameter value would be 10, and I have divided it by 100. And sales after discount is simply financial sales minus sales discount. So what it will does is, if I click on this, suppose I have given 15% discount. So here you can see my parameter has changed for this. In this, you I have put two measures, one is sales after discount and one is sales. So sales after discount will show me what would be my sales after I give 15% discount. And if my discount percentage increased to 25, then it will show me how what will be my sales after giving 25% of discounts. So in this case, what if analysis work, like if I give 10% discount, then what will be my sales. So in this way you can work it out, and I have used uh, line and clustered column chart for this, and I have put segment sum of sales, sales after discount, and in my small multiples I have put country over here. So this is the what if analysis. I hope you get it. Thank you.